Hey, this is Will from Say How You Feel, trying to balance myself out just a little bit. I don't think that really helped. I got the t-shirts. I'm trying not to really have the door in there. But anyway, this is Will from Say How You Feel, keeping it real each and every time we get the video. Yeah. So, I am doing an unboxing today. Some of y'all might know already I'm doing my family reunion shirts, and so I had to get the last of the supplies. I did an unboxing, I think, the other day on the ink that I'm using, the transfer paper, which is also from Stalls. I just told you what I'm doing the unboxing on. But today I'm doing the Stalls unboxing on the plastic Stall transfers. I was shot this video on my camera. I really don't feel like going through all that to edit it. I got like the quality of my video camera on my phone, so I was like, man, fuck this. I can kind of play with it, do a little of this, do a little bit of that. Right. So here we go. I put my mic onto it, and this is a done deal. So this is what the box looks like when it came. As you can see, pretty big box. It has, I'm trying to open this so it doesn't get in the way. So, it came, I got the fullest size sheet you can get. Right? I'm doing a design in white. I got 200 of them, and it came in a pack. One, two. It has 3 bundles in each pack. Now, I won't probably use all 200 because I haven't ordered. I know people didn't order 200 shirts. I just want to have something my family's late. And I know I have 3 more shirts I need to see if I can find. Which is fine. I just got all of it, so they kind of rushing me. And I'm like, dude, stop rushing me, considering the fact that you ordered late. But I love my family to death. So the reason I like Stalls, a lot of people complain about the pricing of Stalls. What you can't beat is the quality. Now, F&M Expressions I hear is a good one. I hear people like their product. I've seen good videos, I've seen bad videos. I have not tried them, so I cannot say what they're going to do. I'm going to work on ordering something. I'm trying to find a design that I like enough that I want to take more time spending my money on it. Cause you gotta put this a $25 setup fee, and then it's you gotta order it, and pay for it, and then have it shipped. Okay, I'm testing the market, so I have to find a design, my design versus somebody else's design. You can't, don't play with other people's money. I definitely like playing mine. So, but to be honest, I have another company I used to go through, and I love their work. It's First Street Graphic. I can't remember what they are. The reason I like their work, and they weren't far to ship. I like their work. The reason I stopped ordering from them is primarily because of their turnaround time. At the time was like 1 or 2 weeks, I want to say. So you have to have, or you can pay for rush order. But with the main reason why I like Transfer Express is I don't have to do that. Now, one thing I don't like about them anymore now is you have to spend $60 with them every month. You have to buy something every 60 days. And if you don't buy something, they disconnect your account. And then you have to call them to get your account connected. I don't want to do all that. Leave my account alone. I order when I order. I should be able to. The agreement was I buy and I can get access to your products. But whatever, that's not the end of that. I don't like that part. But I do like their turnaround time. I ordered Monday. They made it Wednesday. I received it Friday. So it worked. Today's Friday. So 5-day turnaround time if you're using an outsourced like Pro Tools or something. I mean Photoshop. I was gonna say Pro Tools. My degrees in videography and film, and I use Pro Tools a lot. But because if I'm not using Photoshop, if I'm using Photoshop, it takes, and I upload the video, it's 3 days to get your video back. To get your transfers back. Because it takes 3 days for them to create it, to do it. But if you use their editing software, it's only 2 days. So I got it yesterday. on Thursday. But because of that, it's one more day, whatever. I like the way they did the design because I think she went and doctored it up slightly, which is fine because she put the size where I needed it. Because I have to put my great grandparents' name and the Donald family reunion here. Then I'm putting a picture under there. Then I'm putting the dates of the reunion under that. Then on the back, I'm putting last names and all of that. And everything fit, nothing is super big, which is fine with me because it is what it is. I had to squeeze all of this on one sheet. So, and I have 4 different, and I'm glad it was just the 4 because I think it's like 9 of them. My grandmother and her sibling, I think it was 9 of them. I would hate to have to do it for my grandmother's kids. It's 14 of them. So I'd have really been sick. So with that being said, I'm going to shoot a video. I might do a live stream of some of the, but I'm definitely going to shoot the video, a live stream, me making the shirts, so you can see it's a 2-medium process, plastic transfer and inkjet transfer. So we're going to go ahead and pray and hope for the best and enjoy it, and make it happen. I've done it before. I'm not really too worried about it. I've done it with vinyl. I've done it with whatever. So with that being said, you all have a great, wonderful day. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification button so that you know we upload another video. And keep saying how you feel. You have a wonderful day. Peace.